In this video, you'll learn how to increase your influence with just one simple trick, and it's not hard either. Stick around.
Hey, I'm Alexander.
And I'm Evan.
And we're with your local studio. This video is part of a series focused on helping you get more speaking gigs. Whether you do it for free because you're trying to gain influence and awareness in your industry to convert for your main business, or you actually want paid speaking gigs. The hard part, though, to get any of that is people need to know you exist.
That's right. That's a big problem.
It is. The whole awareness thing.
Yes.
And that's the first piece. So how do you get more awareness? How do you grow your influence in your particular industry?
Well, it's one simple trick. You ready? Provide value.
We're a big fan in this world of information. There's so much there. You may say, well, that's what I want to get paid for. People need to come see my talk or come buy my workshop or listen to my audiobook or buy my product, whatever it is. But providing it, that's almost counterintuitive.
Yeah.
But we've seen many examples of people who are very successful to do it. For instance, in the business world, we've got...
You think of Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V, one of those big-time guys. They're constantly creating content on all their channels, even just like filming themselves walking to a car, and they're like turning around and sharing a little ditty, you know?
Right there and then. It seems so in the moment.
Yeah, in the moment, right. You want to create brand awareness, let people know that you actually exist, which leads to brand loyalty. Then they start liking you and like, hey, I like this person. Let me consume more of their content. Let me check them out on their website. They're really cool. I like them. And that's what ultimately drives the sales.
The sales at the end.
Right.
It's that consistency. So it's providing value consistently. You can even see like movie stars recognize this, like
Will Smith.
Will Smith, he's like creating content regularly because he realizes the power of it for creating influence. So social, wherever your main audience is, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, for sure. But don't discount the value of direct messages. In email or instant messages, specifically email, you could put it in your signature. You could put a link to a talk or a piece of nugget of wisdom that you gave recently right in there. And in all of your communications, there's that opportunity for someone, that knew you were around but didn't know you spoke on that topic. Like, oh, wow, they have knowledge, they have expertise in this particular field. Or it's very easy for emails to get forwarded or to put somewhere else. And now someone new knows that you exist and you have value to provide. And the same thing in direct messages on LinkedIn or on Facebook. You can send a note to someone and say, hey, check this out, whether it's referral partners who can then share it so that they're providing value too. Yeah. It could be past clients, potential clients. Don't discount the one-on-one opportunities, not just to the broad social in my feed type of space. Yeah. Now, this is a great place to kind of start the conversation, but it's just one piece. If you want higher production quality, there are places where it makes sense. And you can then, whether you're speaking at a big event or something, you can take that and pull it. But it's hard to get those big events if you don't already have the influence. Yeah. Or if you're trying to pivot to a new market and you don't have a place to speak, how do you get that footage in the first place? We have an event called Key 5 for those that do need an opportunity, a big space, big stage, big audience, captured from 7 different camera angles. Check out the Key 5 conference. It's a place that you can get the content captured to start the conversation, already providing value so that people say, I want that, and then they'll hire you for even more things. So check out key5conference.com. But if you all creating content right now, we'd like to see that.
Yeah, drop it down in the comments, the link to maybe a video you made recently or a link to a post or profile. We'd love to see what kind of value you're providing right now.